Hey you guys, welcome back to a video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and like. And don't forget to comment below other videos. I haven't been posting a long time, okay? But I promise I'm gonna start posting way more. When we go to Chicago, I'm gonna post every single day. I'm gonna be a daily poster. Alright? She wants to talk, but I'm telling her no, because it's my videos. Okay, so let me show you guys all my slimes. So first we got this one, made with Tide and clear glue and some glitter, and some shaving cream. So this is it. Some of it's dry. Let me just throw away the dry part. Okay, this is the dry part. This is all dry. Yeah. Okay, so it's a little hard to pull. Wait. Yeah. And it's kind of like stretchable. I like this slime because it smells good. Because we did it with like this shaving cream, like gel shaving cream. I don't know what kind of it is. But you spray it and then it turns like normal shaving cream. Like first you spray it and it's like gel and like gluey. But then once it dries, it's normal. And it smells so good. We put some scent in it. Where's the bag? I already lost the bag. Oh! Okay. So, yeah. That's number one. This one was recent. This one I made like the other week. So, now we got this slime. This is alien cereal. Because it has beads in it and it's... Ashley actually came up with the name of this. She said, I told her, what name are you going to name this slime? She's like, what name are you going to name this slime? And then she's like, so I had told, wait up. I had told Ashley had told me, what are you going to name the slime? And I'm like, I never actually named any of my slimes. And I'm like, okay. And I'm like, I don't know, you can pick. And then she's like, what about alien cereal? I'm like, yeah. So the thing about this is that the beads fall out. Like you try to rip it, they fall out. Stop. Because I don't want you to pull them on the beads to come out. And this is how you know your slime's ready. This is how I know my slimes are ready. Because sometimes you make a slime, you're like, oh my god, it's ready because it doesn't stick to my hand. Sometimes it's because your hands have like the contact solution or something like that. So what I do, I just go with my elbow like this, and if it doesn't stick, then good. So now I'm just gonna go. So yeah. Now comment down below what you want me to name this slime, Tide slime. What do y'all want to name it? Just comment below. First comment will be the name. Sorry. And also, first comment in the second, well, comment below what next video you want. First comment about what video we should do next. I will do. Now remember, we do have a pool, just that we just put some salt in it. Oh wait, it already looks a little clear. We do have a pool, so...
Why don't we go outside?
No, I don't want to go outside. So be creative, you guys. So yeah, what do you want me to name the other slime? The clear slime. First comment about the slime is maybe what we're gonna name it. Second comment, and this is also gonna be fixing the slimes. Okay. So now we got this white slime. The top of it dried out. Okay, let me just look. This is already, you can tell it's sticky.
So it was very hard to choose because both teams did
ew.
After seeing the songs,
I'm gonna have to need to fix this. I haven't played. I don't know whose slime was this. Oh, I think we made this slime with one of my cousins. And I had brought the glue and everything. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Oh, never mind. Okay, so this, I'm also going to be making a video about fixing some of my slimes, and trust me, this is going to be there.
Benjamin, I think we did it all together, right?
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Okay, so now we got this slime. Now I do use sandwich containers. Yes, I got them at Walmart. I don't know how much. I forgot how much they cost. But I mean, they take care of the slime. So yeah, this is a purple slime.
Can I touch it?
Wait.
Yeah.
Shh. I wanna see an ace. Oh, you're so good.
Like some days it dries. But not
And
really
let's
dry.
do the elbow test. If this does not pass the elbow test, then we have to, one, do a video of me fixing the slimes.
What about the other one?
Thank
Here.
Thank you for coming.
Wait up, you guys.
Let's see how this slime like.
Okay, sorry, you guys. Okay, so let's just do the elbow test.
And thank you, parents, for coming.
Wait.
We hope
You guys have 5 seconds to subscribe and to like, or else. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, that was
Or else Big Mama will kiss your butt off. I'm just kidding. Or else Bloody Mary will come for you. I'm just kidding. Just subscribe. 5. You guys have 5 seconds. Ashley, you want to do it with me?
Yeah.
5, 4,
next time.
3,
2.
1, 0.
Yeah, we didn't count the right one.
Yeah. Because my hand was backwards and I don't know what I was doing.
Okay, this is actually pressing. Never mind.
I'm so proud of you.
Remember? Just move it
Can I
around.
keep it?
You did such a great
Yep, it is.
Can I keep it?
job. You too.
Honey, can you wait?
Let's all go now.
Mm.
No, I have some slime here. So I'm just gonna test it out.
Subscribe.
Why didn't test? Everything was okay, Sal.
Okay, so it's this slime is alright. Now we got this. Oh, I still don't have a name for this purple glitter slime. So comment down below. What should we name it? Okay, so now we have.
Oh,
Now
no.
we
I
have
can't look at it.
Halloween ugliness slime. Now I made this and it's super wet. Like I don't know, but it's got wet and it's like really wet.
We did
It's
it.
butter slime.
Can I talk?
Actually, can you wait, please?
When that's
We
done, I
did
can
a
talk.
butter slime. I did some butter slime. It, turned out like
My butter slime didn't work.
yeah,
right?
it didn't really turn out that good.
Yeah, it was hard.
I mean, yeah, you
Ready?
could stretch it and
Get it.
everything.
Yeah, but
Let me get a towel. Okay, I clean my hands off. So the thing about this slime, it's like, I don't know what it's like, wettish. Are you looking for the control?
No.
It's like wet, like you can even tell my hands are wet. And it's like, not like butter slime-ish. I mean, you can, I mean, it's a big amount of slime. It's a little stretchy. You can stretch it. Ugh. But you can't really connect it. Like, look, I'm trying to connect it. Look. And look. It takes off. Look. And it takes off. Like,
I can't wait.
and you. Oh, I'm gonna go get a.
And I'm in my new
Right.
suit. This is gonna be the best vacation ever. What are all these people waiting for, though?
OMG. My hands are so. It feels so weird. Okay, so my hands don't feel dry. This slime is like Halloween. Yeah, I call it Halloween. This one already has a name. But if you guys have another name, just comment below. I don't really care.
Floaties in the pool here. Do you know where we can find them? Oh, well, you're in the right place. Everyone's waiting for the special button. Special button? What do you mean? Yeah, there's a special button, and all the floaties will come out at once, and they will fly into the pool. Thank you.
Okay, so now we got
Yeah, that's so cool. Let's go wait.
other
Space all the way over there. Let's go.
clear slime. Wait, what? Did I make
Look,
2
we're right at the
clear
front.
slimes?
Oh,
I do not remember making 2
They're
clear
wearing
slimes.
mermaid tails.
I see the man, and he's gonna press the button.
Okay, I think it's time to launch the floaties. 10 seconds, everyone.
10, 9.
Okay, so now we got another clear slime. Now this one is made like the other one. The shaving cream that's gel. Just how I just said it a little ago.
They're coming, guys. Look.
Oh, this slime, I like it. It's really nice. Yeah. So yeah, I do not have a name for this slime. So yeah. Oh look, actually, the pink one is like the one that you have.
Oh yeah?
It's because she's watching this Barbie thing.
Yeah, but
She likes to watch it.
yeah, but
Okay, so
I don't watch it this time.
so now we have this slime that is so big, ginormous. I cannot use a small bag because it would be so big. Okay, so this slime, I do not have a name for it. I just call it Queen Bee. But normally at time, it's really good for bubbles. She said it's a little wet. She said it's a little wet. But, I mean, it's amazing for bubbles. So, yeah.
Let's go play. Ooh, golden shiny.
Oh my god, you guys. Look at that one. That one that she has. I have that one.
Ooh, and since I'm wearing
I have that golden one. Ooh, it's like...
suit.
Wait a second. Are you gonna go on this diamond ring?
Yes, look at this diamond.
It's clear.
Oh, sorry. I just got distracted. Ooh, I got some hair in it. Now, I am that kind of person that hates getting my slime dirty. So, every day, I clean my slime, like, most of the days that I play with it. Like, I don't like it being in the floor, because then I'm like, no, because I'm just going to get dirty. And my friends are always like, oh my god, you're so, like, clean and everything. And my friend that has, like, because we used to have, like, our own buckets, and we would put all of us things in it, right? And then my friend, her bucket was dirty as heck. I'm like, clean your bucket. And she's like, no, whatever. Okay, story time over. I'll tell you later. So this time, last time that I checked it, there was water on top of it. It's like it was getting hot, and water was like... But yeah, nah, it's not. That's not... Well, a little bit of water on it. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me see. Can you guys tell? Yeah, you guys can see some of that water. Okay. So now we got this slime. This slime, it was just made with... It was just glue. It was just white Elmer's glue at Walmart. So the Elmer glue that I bought was $10 because I had bought the big one. I bought some shaving cream that was like $1. And some contact solution. Okay, so this slime turned out so good.
So
It's like
relaxing.
so good. Ah! And it's good for the bubbles. It's good for bubbles.
You can have fun, and then you can relax.
Boo.
I'm gonna follow because you're gonna talk.
Okay, look. Ah! Look, listen to this.
You're done?
Yeah. Blush you. Everybody comment down below, blush you.
Wait, can I color bless you?
Yeah, comment down below, blush you, cause she... Oh, you! Okay, we forgot to do the elbow test. Oh, you guys can tell. Not approved eyeball test. You stick it on. Will you? I forgot to do some elbow test on the pink one, and I gold one. This one, I used almost like a whole bottle of glue. Legit. Legit. It won't stick. Yeah, so this one's good. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, this purple one, I used a whole bottle of glitter. I remember dumping the whole thing. I'm like, and then Ashley's like, what are you doing? I wanted some glitter on mine. I'm like, we still have some more glitter, honey.
Yeah, but I really want the golden one.
Yes. Okay, so now let me show you guys the ones that me and Ashley love most.
It's the biggest one. The famous.
Be quiet, somebody's sleeping. It's the biggest one.
You're rude.
It
Can
just
I touch my
fell.
slime when you're done?
Yeah, wait. So, these, I'm gonna tell you guys how we make these, honey. Spill the tea. Tell you guys some tips, okay? Let me just see if you guys can see. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, so, this one is Ashley's. Her container broke not right now when it fell, but it was like right there. I was about to show you guys, but I'll show you guys later. But it was right there and it just fell off the shelf when it broke. So this one, all we needed: glue, shaving cream, contact solution, and food coloring. So the only items you need: glue, contact solution, foam beads, contact solution, foam beads, food coloring, and shaving cream. Oh
You need
wait,
a lot of glue.
I still have some slime.
Guys, I have to tell you.
Oh, I still have some of the other slime. So yeah. Okay, I cleaned out my hands. This is Ashley. Now, yes, Ashley, we did use a lot of glue. So now, the other day, I was gonna do a video, but then I didn't do it. What happened was we did not cover them because Dad went with one of my friends for a sleepover. I was gonna do a video, but then I was afraid that they were gonna be like, we don't want to be filmed, so like whatever. I'm just like not do a video. So yeah. So the thing, we came back. And I was gonna do a video, but my camera, my tablet, had been discharged. So let me just show you guys. This is the top layer, okay? Now the top layer was all dry. So what I did, next time that slime dries, I'm gonna show you guys, okay? What I did, I just peeled the top layer off, like little by little. And then I took off the foam bead. I took off some of the slime that was not that dry. And I put it back in. And that's why there's a lot of foam beads that are taking out. Now, this is how we did it. We first added the glue and we mixed it. Because I was afraid that this time was going to turn thick and all the foam beads are going to fall out. So, that's kind of like why. So, then I also... So glue, and then we mix the glue. Yes. Then, before I added any shaving cream or contact solution, so at first I added the glue, and then I added the foam beads. No, then I added the food coloring, so we could mix that well. And then I added the foam beads, and then finally, when that was ready, I added the shaving cream and the contact solution. And that's how we made this beautiful slime. So, yeah. I mean, it's pretty fun to touch and all of them.
That's mine!
Oh, yeah. You guys look. Ashley has the same floaty.
Twin thing! A little bit different.
Yeah, because I don't think you guys can see, but hers is from the bottom. It's not all clear. It's like pinkish.
Yeah,
But yeah, I'm going to give it back to Ashley because she wanted it. Okay, so now back to my golden beautiful slime. I love gold.
I found an Orby.
Wow. This is dry, so I'll just put that right there. Oh, there's a hair in it. Can you guys see that? Ooh, that's a big hair. I bet you that one's mine.
Yeah, because
Okay, so... Ashley, can you put the volume down?
Why?
Because I want to do an ASMR, honey.
Okay, I have to find the control on.
Wanna find it, honey.
Found it.
Okay, so listen to this, okay? Now what happens at this time is that
Can I put it on?
yeah, the top layer gets all foamy in the night, but then look, the bottom layer has nothing, which is kind of fun to play with because it's a lot. But then once you mix it all together, now I still haven't made a name for it, but I was thinking tentacles because it kind of looks like tentacles. But you can actually tell that there's golden sparkles in there. I added a lot. Ashley didn't want that much on her.
What?
Golden. So that's all of my slimes.
Priscilla, can I put this in the trash? Thank you. 'Cause it
So
was
that's
dry.
all my slimes, you guys. Now, when we go to Chicago, I'm going to be filming a little bit, like, I'll be doing some parts and everything. I'm going to be like, okay, I'm going to be doing a video in the morning, how I get ready and packing and everything. I'm also going to be doing a video of me getting my nails done. Maybe I may get my nails done.
Or maybe we'll do a video.
I am going to be doing a video of me getting my nails done, because, honey, this thing, I need some nails done. Yeah. And I'm not going to be showing you guys everything I have that I'm going to be putting on, because I don't really want you guys to know. But I did get brand new road rope. I'm going to tell you guys. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh my
6,
god.
7, 8, 9. I have 9 slimes. So remember, all the slimes that have no name, give it a name, please, honey buns. Now, Ashley, don't forget to what?
Subscribe.
And to like. We're going to give you 5 seconds to subscribe. 5.
5.
5.
4.
Okay, we're going to go 5,
4.
3,
2.
1. Thumbs up. You better have done that. I'm going to know. Huh? I'm going to know. We better get some subscribers. My goal is to at least get 10 subscribers by the end of summer. Comment about how your summer is going. And fruit. Comment below. I won't bite your hand when you're commenting below. I have seen no comments. I saw a video and one of the videos had 5 views. I was really happy. I was like, ah! I was about to scream and cry. So thanks for seeing this video. What? Oh my god. Look at
Oh, I almost did it.
I almost did a bubble. Oh. Okay, so this is what you guys roll on, bro, and this is where I keep all my slimes. You guys can't really see, but right there, that's where I keep all my slimes. Right up. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.